How to achieve success in the affiliate marketing business. Your search for information having to do with affiliate marketing has proved to be unfruitful up to this point. You have heard of it and heard that it is possible to profit from it, however you really do not have a firm grasp on what it is or how to use it. This video will explain. Promote your affiliate link on content sites. Although this is an old affiliate marketing technique, it still works providing you post high quality, unique content along with your link. If you do not have time to write a quality video yourself, then consider outsourcing the work. You can up your productivity in affiliate marketing by simply clearing out the clutter from your mind and from your desk. Ensure that you're only focusing on affiliate marketing by making sure your desktop is free and clean, and also tidy up a bit in your immediate line of sight. Multiple studies show that a cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Nothing destroys a visitor's opinion of a website owner faster than a concealed advertisement. This does not mean that it is impossible to satisfy visitors and engage in affiliate marketing. The honest webmaster is simply honest and transparent about it. Visitors should always be made aware when a website gets money for endorsing a particular product. They rarely resent a straightforward advertisement as they do a duplicitous one. If you want to make more money with your affiliate marketing, write reviews for the products you promote. Make sure you mention any flaws so that you do not lose your credibility or make your readers think that you will do anything to make the sale, even lying about the product. To promote your affiliate marketing products most effectively, you can write a free book or paper on the topic and give it away on your website. You can also convert it into Kindle format and offer it for little to no money on the Amazon site. This will create more interest in your product. In conclusion, you now should know a lot more about affiliate marketing than before you watched this video. Ideally, this should be the main source that you can use to get started and build your affiliate marketing plan around. Go ahead and give the tips that were provided a try and you should be pleased. Student loan.